Hey everyone, so my first package, I didn't wait to show you guys, but I did get like these little nail stands here. Then I got these little cute little mailers. It says thank you for your order. And then got the package. So these must be the little ooh, yes. So these would be like, for like a little extra like press-ons. Where's your cup? Hold on. Okay, I had to grab some scissors. Let's see. Ooh. Yes. Little nail cases. Can't even get this. Get it out. What is this? Oh, the little sticky tabs. I'm so excited. Alright, this is the last thing. What was this? And then, so this is like the press-on nail kit. So this has like the instructions, which I'll probably make my own.